How to redeem emergency pizza. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser and head over to domino's.com. Then from here, select your country. Now, you first of all want to log into your account. You can also head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install the Domino's Pizza app. Then tap on the Open option. Here you want to log into your account by entering your phone number. Domino's Emergency Pizza is a program that offers a free medium 2 toppings pizza to customers to use whenever they need it the most. If you want to get the Domino's Emergency Pizza, then the first step is to join or sign into your Domino's Rewards account within 7 days of placing your order. Then you want to place an order with Domino's delivery or carryout online totaling more than $7.99. If these criteria are not met, you will not qualify for Domino's Emergency Pizza. If you have placed an online order totaling more than $7.99 and joined or signed into your Domino's Rewards account within 7 days of placing your order, then the third step is, whenever you are ready to claim your free pizza, find the My Deal and Rewards tab within your Domino's Rewards account, then add your emergency pizza coupon to your order within 30 days. And with these easy steps, you can easily redeem your emergency pizza. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.